Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss a numerical on previous year GATE questions on semiconductors. According to this given numerical, it is written that where Ne and NH are the electron and the hole densities, and also mu E and mu H are the mobilities of electron and hole respectively, then the hole coefficient is positive when dash. That means we have to find the condition using these Ne and NH and mu E and mu H when the hole coefficient will be positive. So for that case, we know that according to the Hall effect formula, it gives a value of hole coefficient RH, and this RH can be written as N H into mu H whole square minus N E into mu E square and N H into mu H plus N E into mu E. So this is the Hall coefficient or Hall coefficient that is given by the Hall effect of the sample, and in the numerical they have given that the Hall coefficient should be positive. It concludes that the numerator of this ratio must be positive, and this numerator of this ratio is equals to NH into mu H square minus Ne into mu E square. So this must be positive, that means it must be greater than 0. If this is greater than 0, then we can write that NH into mu H square should be greater than Ne into mu E square, and if this condition takes place, then only we can say that the Hall coefficient will be greater than 0. So this is the required condition in this blank that will give the Hall coefficient of the sample as a positive. So this is all about the numerical given. Thank you.